What's up, boys? It's your boy Uncle Rich here, and I haven't done a rant in months. And yes, that post-it note picture is real, by the way. Your boy Uncle Rich has boots on the ground. He's got people, baby. All right, so standard disclaimer: if your feelings get hurt easily, then the rant is not for you. If you don't like curse words, a rant is not for you. If your kids are 7 years old and still breastfeed, a rant is not for you. If you're a Tesla fanboy, a rant is not for you. And if you don't understand satire, then a rant is not for you. And before we get started, I got to get this off my chest, all right? So apparently Teslas can catch fire when they fly directly into a wall at 60 miles an hour. So can gas-powered cars, all right? We know this. But these Tesla fanboys get so defensive to the point where if a news media outlet says Tesla catches fire and posts a story, what they do to counter that is they post several articles of gas-powered cars catching fire, okay? Because that's what kids that have a hard time showing their emotions do, okay? They can't just simply ignore it. They have to comment on it. Man up, guys. So what? Good Lord, man. Take it on the chin. I swear you guys are the most delicate group of car owners I've ever come across. All right? I have a feeling, and tell me if I'm wrong, but I feel that if there was a back alley street fight with Tesla owners versus Prius owners, Tesla owners would get the absolute shit stomped out of them by the Prius dudes. I'm part of several EV groups: Leaf owners, i3 owners, Tesla owners, 500e owners, whatever. All that shit. But Tesla owners cry the absolute most when their feelings are hurt. All right? You guys are like a pack of translucent cave salamanders, man. Damn. I'm going to write that down. Translucent cave salamanders. Anyways, but no, really, you guys have once again proved that you don't get it. You just aren't ready. All right? I still have people crying about the video I made making fun of the Tesla semi-unveiling. Y'all still can't get over that. You can't take a joke, man. You're going to let some guy on the internet touch you in your no-no place, but you kind of like it, so now you're mad because you can't understand why you're feeling this way? Huh? Whew. All right, anyways. But yeah, hey, guys, the channel's been growing, man. Your boy Uncle Rich is back, baby, coming with that heat. I'm pretty humbled by it, man. It's just crazy. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I'm the largest Tesla-based channel. I mean, I think I am. And what sucks is that basically I can never talk about my Z06 ever again because I pigeonholed myself into this Tesla business. I'm knee-deep in Tesla shit. But at some point, you know what's going to happen, right? Yeah, when you get big, you know what's going to happen. You sell out, and I can't wait to sell out. Now that I have a platform, oh boy. Teslas are cool and all, but you know what's really cool? Clash of Clans is cool. That's probably coming soon, heads up. I know some of the larger automotive channels have started doing that, and that's how you make a living for yourself, man. A lot of these bigger channels, you know, they're doing this stuff full time, and that's how they make their money grabs, and they got to do it any way they can. And you know, remember, this isn't my full-time gig, guys. You know, you guys want me to pump out, you know, 3-4 videos a week, but I'm not doing this on a full-time basis. So, you know, just be prepared for $2 Shave Club. I'll be throwing that in there pretty soon. So don't complain, all right? But before I get started on the rant, could someone please watch my Texas racing video, please? I'll put a link in the description. Only like 9 people watched that video, and it took me a really long time to edit a 3-day trip into like 10 minutes. So can you watch it, please? If you don't watch it, I'm just going to re-release it under a different name and thumbnail. Also, check me out, Instagram, at RichieBKid. All right, let's get to it. What have I missed in Tesla land over the past couple months? What did I miss? Yes, the Tesla Model X pulling a plane. Okay. Guys, yes, I get it. I saw the Tesla Model X pulling a plane. Did you really? Yes, I did. Now, guys, the Model X has a shitload of torque, okay? So this is probably the least impressive thing I've seen in a long time, all right? But you know what is impressive? You know what's more impressive than a Model X pulling a plane? This man right here pulling a plane with his balls. That's impressive. Why should I be impressed by a Model X pulling a plane where this dude's friggin' nutsack could pull a plane too? All the Model X video proves now is that it's at least as strong as a testicular sack. I heard one person say on the Facebook group, are you sitting down? You sitting down? They said, this is so brave for an EV to go where no gas car has dared. I'm going to say that again. This person said, this is so brave for an EV to go where no gas car has dared. The more you say it, the less it makes sense. You people, oh my God. What else did I miss? Model X, yeah, pulling a plane. That was stupid. Oh, yes. Oh, God, the flamethrowers. Oh, baby. The flamethrowers are starting to get delivered. And before we get into that, let me just say that Musk has gone full Hank Scorpio mixed with the monorail guy. If you guys don't know those references, there's an episode of The Simpsons called Marge versus the Monorail, I think, where the monorail salesman comes to the city to convince them they need a monorail system. And after the city spent millions getting it up and running, it failed, no one used it, and the guy ran away with the money. And Hank Scorpio is just some supervillain that uses flamethrowers. He's a mixture of both of them. So I got a buddy, right? I got a buddy that got a flamethrower, and he's like, Rich, it's going to be a blast at 4th of July parties, man. I'm like, brother. I looked that man dead in his eye, and I said, you're going to bring a gimmick to a barbecue? Are you a loser? Picture me going to a cookout. Who's got the flamethrower? This guy. You're legit going to use those things like 3 times and be like, okay, I get the point. Then you're just going to put it away. All right? But anyways, it's legit the same product you get at Home Depot for $69. If I were to do this, it'd be the dumbest idea in the world. But however, if Elon wants to dig really big holes in the ground, then that's fine. You know, but I get it. Yeah, I get it. Oh, Rich, I'm supporting the company I believe in. When I was a kid, I liked drilling holes too. Shut up. You all sound stupid. Look in the mirror and slap yourself. I won't support the company. You fanboys are something else. I swear. You know what? The flamethrowers, though, it's interesting. They're $500 a pop, right? And he sold 20,000. That's 10 million. He sold 50,000 hats at $20 a pop. That's another $1 million. All right? If any other CEO on the planet sold a flamethrower, the Tesla fanboys would crucify him. The old oil company's back to their gimmicks again. No, that's exactly what you would say. And you know it. You know they'd be saying that. Again, this is part 17 of why Tesla will not fail. All right? It's not going to fail. We need more videos of people using those damn flamethrowers. I only saw 47 today. I want to make it an even 300. Elon's legit. Elon could literally sell you overpriced torches whose only purpose is setting things on fire. That's the only reason why they exist, right? And there's videos of Tesla owners shooting the flamethrowers out of their cars over and over again. Hey, man, it's good for the environment. Maybe he should have sold another 500 to save a few jobs at Tesla, huh? Yeah, I'm getting messy. Yeah, I'm getting messy now. But no, on a serious note, it is good to know that after 15 years, he's going to start making Tesla profitable, which is good. It just sucks that thousands of people had to lose their jobs. You know what really happened with the layoffs, right? No one else knows this. This is inside info. Elon fired everyone that was subscribed to Rich Rebuilds on YouTube. He's like, nah, you got to go drain that swamp, fam. Anyways, all right. So back to the Tesla Kool-Aid. It doesn't matter what happens. All right, the fanboys are like, yeah, awesome. Everything Tesla does is great. I'm so glad this happened. What a great idea, Elon. What an awesome idea. Lay off 9% of your staff, all right, that have been there since day one. They make too much money. Awesome. Get them out of there. Oh, you changed your mind, the Boring Company? So instead of moving cars underground, you'll move people in tiny little Tesla-powered cars underground? Yeah, great idea, Elon. Scratch the old idea. This one's much better. I like that idea, too. It doesn't matter what Elon says or does. It's the right decision. People are swinging on his nuts. It's insane. Even the tweets. People were even supporting his tweets. And, like, those tweets were ridiculous. Go read them yourself. I mean, he's starting to rant on Twitter, and he did get that from Uncle Rich. He did. All right? He 100% got ranting from me, by the way. Now, he's arguing with these journalists online. All the while, owners are like, hey, man, you mind taking a break from arguing on Twitter and like build another service center or something? Because my car's been in the shop for 3 months and I'd kind of like to get to work. He's got those Twitter fingers. You can't do that, Elon. You know, when you argue with fools, people from a distance can't tell who is who. My dad always told me that. Stay out of that shit, Elon. You don't have to defend anything. Just keep doing what you're doing, man. Keep sending those rockets up, okay? Keep disabling poor innocent people's cars that didn't buy them direct from Tesla. Make sure that people wait at least 4 months to get their cars fixed. You think it has something to do with his new girlfriend getting to his head? What's her name? I think it's like Grimes. Elon Musk is literally dating someone named Grimes. You think his kids are like, hey, Dad, can we listen to one of your Canadian pop singer's girlfriend songs, please? And I have a question. When exactly did he want to save the environment? Was it after he wrecked his McLaren F1? Or was it after he found Tesla? And by found Tesla, I mean he joined it after it already existed when it was built by someone else and was like, wow, can I make a ton of money off of this? Whoa, just kidding. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, fanboys. I know you're getting your tempers flared. It's okay. But I have an idea. I do have an idea. If Elon really wanted to make a pile of cash, okay, you ready for this? If he wants to make tons of money, 3 ideas. 1, take a $1,000 deposit for a car that doesn't exist yet. Bam, he already did it. Sell 20,000 flamethrowers at $500 a pop. Bam, he already did it. The horizon he hasn't seen as yet? Make an electric bike. Bam! Yeah, I said it. Make an electric bike. Not like a motorcycle. Right? It would be stupid money. I mean like an e-bike. Like an electric assist bicycle. It has a tiny little Tesla motor in it and little 18 650s, right? Fanboys would go nuts. They would go stupid for this. Let's be real here. Everyone could stand to lose a few pounds, all right? We live in America where the food is cheap and it's not even funny. We just stuff our gullets until we can't breathe anymore. If you want to support Tesla but can't afford one, then a bike is a next best thing, honestly, right? Then they can have little roof racks on their Teslas and have little Tesla bikes. It would be awesome for the fanboys and for those that can't afford an actual Tesla, right? So picture this. If Tesla were to get a cheap-ass bike, like from like a Huffy, something like that, right? Spray paint it black. Now close your eyes. Spray paint it black. Write Tesla in red on it. And have a little battery box that has little LEDs on it and a small motor that says Tesla on it. Maybe a little Tesla headlight and a basket and a bell. And every time someone rings that little bell, okay, every time that bell is rung, a fanboy gets a picture of Elon Musk naked. Yo, all right, that's all I got. I got to get back to editing videos, man. This is a short one today. We have the Model X video coming this week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. Adios, my friends.